Hey guys, welcome back once again. So something piqued my interest a little bit. I was reading an article, I was just scrolling through articles, but I was reading an article on Iris Energy, which is an Australian Bitcoin mining company. And they're going public through the NASDAQ IPO later on this year. The prospectus isn't out yet, but I just wanted to kind of go over it, see where you guys' head is on this as well, kind of get your guys' feedback on it. So Australian Bitcoin miner Iris Energy files for 100 million IPO. So the Australian Bitcoin mining company Iris Energy filed for initial public offering with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) to raise up to 100 million. The Sydney-based company said on Monday that it intends to list its ordinary shares on NASDAQ under the ticker symbol IRAN. The shares are expected to start trading later this year. We don't know exactly when that's going to be. JP Morgan, Canaccord, Genuity, Citigroup, Maguire Capital, and Cohen are joint book runners for the deal. The pricing terms remain undisclosed. Currently, in July, Bloomberg reported that Iris Energy was looking to raise 200 million in a new funding round before it seeks a direct listing on NASDAQ. Iris Energy has emphasized its use of renewable energy for crypto mining. It has been meeting prospective investors and is working with an advisor. So I want to take a look at the company a little bit. So here's our website. This is about home. So sustainable Bitcoin mining, Iris Energy is a sustainable Bitcoin miner that owns and operates real assets, including data centers, infrastructure powered by renewable energy. So what do they do? Iris Energy uses a computer powered by renewables to secure the global Bitcoin network. Renewable energy powers computing infrastructure assets, provides network security, support a Bitcoin mining pool, delivers daily Bitcoin and transaction fees to Iris Energy, monetizes Bitcoin to cash, right? So I don't speak anything about their HODL strategy or anything like that, but we do have as far as position to be a global leader in sustainable Bitcoin mining. Low cost production model provides downside mitigation. All the miners are saying the same thing. You know, they got the best pricing for energy, but we'll have to see what the other costs are. Vertically integrated real asset platform, ESG and renewable focus. Positioned to be a top global player with significant organic growth pipeline. Strong, experienced management team with unrivaled track record. And I was trying to find out as far as what do they actually have currently running. And it's kind of hard to find out just looking through articles and things like that. But I was able to find this. This is a recent announcement that they provided in August of 27th. So Iris Energy expands contracted nameplate Bitcoin mining capacity to 15.2 exahash. So when I saw that, I was like, ooh, that's getting pretty big. That's, I think, even bigger than Mara right now would be. But here's the caveat to it. So agreement to acquire the latest generation and best-in-class efficiency Antminer S19J Pro Bitcoin mining hardware increases contracted nameplate hash rate from 4.5, so this is contracted, this is not in production right now, 4.5 exahash to 15.2, which is a big jump on it. Let me zoom this in for you guys. Iris Energy is pleased to announce that it has contracted a partnership with Bitmain, the world's leading producer of cryptocurrency mining hardware, to purchase the company's latest generation miners Antminer S19J Pros. After the successful delivery and installation of miners, it will increase Iris Energy's total operating hash rate by 10.7 exahash. The delivery plan for the procurement of miners will begin in October 2022. Not for a year. And fully delivered by September of 2023. So basically, they're getting, what would that be? Almost 100,000 miners, roughly. If we're going at 100,000, what is it, terahash per miner? You're looking at 10,000 miners delivered roughly, or 8,000 to 9,000 miners being delivered over a year, and starting in October 2022. So this was a real big downer. I thought that perhaps they would get those a little bit sooner, seeing how they're going public, getting an IPO going. But, you know, at that point in 2022, we could be into a bear market. We just don't know where the Bitcoin price is going to be. There's too many unknowns for that, you know, long of a span, especially going out a year in 2022 to see your miners start coming online. They continue here. As a result, Iris Energy now has 15.2 exahash of computing power operating and/or on order with nameplate hardware. With nameplate hardware efficiency of approximately 30 watts per terahash. So Mara is going to be at, what are they going to be at? 12, almost 13 exahash by the end of 22. These guys are just going to be starting to ramp up from that. So it's going to be a tough sell, I think, to investors. Well, some might buy in onto it, but we would just need to see the prospectus that they're going to have on this, on their IPO, as far as what are they actually mining right now? How many miners do they have? What type of miners do they have? When are the new miners coming online that they are going to bring up to 4.5 exahash? Because I think there was some place I saw that they were at 700 petahash right now, not exahash. Let me see here, about, I think it was about here, someplace, there it is, operations, right around here. 700 petahash data center in British Columbia, Canada. And they're getting to 15.2, so they have a long ways to go, obviously. My biggest concern is the timeline. If they're looking at going or getting the miners in 2022, it's a whole year of where a lot can happen in the Bitcoin industry. Not only will you have hash rate increases, because you got Mara, everybody else, Riot, Hive, Hot 8, getting these miners that they've ordered in next year, which is going to drive the hash rate up like crazy. And then they're probably going to end up buying more as it is. So I think it's a little late on the story on this one for, not until 2022 getting the miners. That's a tough one for me. But like I said, we'll have to look at the prospectus, see what they're actually going to be doing. I would have liked to have seen this, the miners come online a lot faster than a year from now, and then another year to get fully installed. But that's it. I just wanted to bring this to your guys' attention. I did look through also their Twitter page to find some more information. I mean, they do have some good pictures here of their mining process. I think this is in Colombia right now. But they are going public. So just wanted to bring it out to you guys to let you know. And then as far as, let me know what you guys think about it as well. Is this something you guys are planning to invest in? If so, why? Let me know. What are your thoughts behind it down in the comments below, and I'll respond as always. That's all I got for you guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then,